Hey everyone, it's Blockchain Bernie here. This time again broadcasting live from fabulous Las Vegas. That's where Xandeum is located, and our scalable storage layer for the Solana chain that we're building. It is super exciting, and we have our own DevNet live for 7 or 8 months now. Almost 2.5 billion transactions have been handled by the Xandeum DevNet already. And up until now, it has been only that the Xandeum Devnet could be accessed with the command line only. So if you wanted to check the balances of your accounts there, or you want to do some transfers or stuff, you could do that on the command line, but there was no wallet support yet. So happy to announce we have wallet support now. We can use the Brave wallet to access the Xandeum Devnet, and that's because the Brave wallet is quite flexible. So we can access our own RPC nodes into the Brave wallet and can access the Xandeum Devnet. That's not possible with any of the standard Solana wallets that are out there, and it's not possible with MetaMask and stuff like that. But it does work with the Brave wallet, and I'll walk you through all that in this little video. But if you don't know Xandeum, go to Xandeum.com. So here you see our website, Xandeum.com. There is that, you see that in the top there, stake here, so you can stake your SOL. Again, if you own some SOL, you're not staking it, you're leaving money on the table. If you're staking it with any of the centralized exchanges, you're also leaving money on the table because they're charging huge commissions. And what is most important here, if you go to Xandeum.com, read our light paper and our white paper so that you know what it's all about. And then new, so this is really new, subscribe to our Discord. The Discord isn't new, right? So we have almost 2,000 members in there. But what's new about the Discord is once you sign up and join our Discord server, you earn points because Xandeum has a points program, right? The Xandeum Foundation has that points program. It's points.xandeum.org. And sign up for our Discord, you get points, right? Sign up for and follow us on Twitter, you get points. And sign up for our email list, you get points. And you should do all that just to stay up to date, and subscribe to this my YouTube channel, of course, as well. Destroy that like button for me because it's really important for the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate it. Thank you in advance. But now let's dive right in on how we can use the Brave wallet to access the Xandeum Devnet, right? So here it is, the Brave browser, and here is that little Brave wallet icon, right? So let's use that here. Let's click on it. Brave wallet, right? So this is a brand new Brave here. I haven't installed any wallet here, and that's because I want to guide you through all these steps here to set up Brave wallet to access the Xandeum Devnet, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new wallet here. I understand this is a self-custody wallet, so nobody can get our funds back if we don't have our private keys anymore. And then we want Solana mainnet, we want Ethereum. We can't click away Ethereum here, interestingly, even though Brave recently has really gone Solana. And let's click away these other networks here because we don't really need them for this little demo here, and continue with 2 networks. Okay, let's create a password, right? Okay. So we've done this here. And then we get the recovery phrase here somewhere. And, well, let me click away here while I back up my recovery phrase. It's not really something that I want to show in this video here. And this is all live, right? I'm just doing this here Um, okay. So let me absolutely back up my keys here. Give me a moment to do that. And God. No, I'm having issues here. Let me do that here. Okay, and then let me get back my wallet. Man, I could, yeah. So now it wants me to click the 2nd, 6th, and 8th. So let me do that here somewhere. All right, got that done. Okay, so we've got our wallet now. Thanks for waiting. I just didn't want to show you my recovery phrase here. So here we are, right? We have our brand new Brave wallet, so you can do the same at home. And now let's see how we can add the Xandeum network here. So I've done that before. And somehow there is a button here. So. And there is settings here, right? So if we go to settings, we have these things here for the wallet. And then we have wallet networks here, right? So what we can do now, we have to go to Solana networks. And that is because the Xandeum Devnet is backwards compatible with Solana. It's basically a fork of the Solana source code, and we're adding that scalable storage layer to it. So let's just reuse what they have here as Solana Devnet, and let's make that basically our own DevNet, right? So now I'm having an issue. Okay, let's do edit here. And let's call this the Xandeum Devnet, right? Chain's currency name, Xandeum, and it should be Xand, and the decimals. And what we do now here is we give it the RPC URL for the Xandeum chain as opposed to the Solana chain, right? So it's going to be api.devnet.xandeum.com, not solana.com. And it's got to be :8899, right? So, and the Explorer is also the explorer.xandeum.com, right? And we don't need the cluster devnet. All right, and let's submit that. Yes, I want to update the existing network. And then this, I just want to make this the default. Boom. So Xandeum Devnet is now our default. All right. So now let's see if we can access it. Here's the Brave wallet. Let's select our network. It's the Xandeum Devnet here, right? So let's add an account here, right? So let me check here what account numbers we have. So for example, we have our this address here. I'll just copy paste it into my Brave wallet here, right? So we can somehow create a new account here, right? So how does that work again? We can just say, how can we create a new account here? Accounts. Let's do accounts. And then we have an Ethereum account. We have a Solana mainnet account. So now, how can we create a new account here in this Brave wallet? I've done it before, but somehow, I'm not really sure how to create a new account here. Maybe it's in settings? No, it is not. Buy, send. My assets. Man, I'm not used to the Brave wallet. Where can we create accounts? It can't be that difficult, huh? So there are some some accounts here. Log wallet, backup now, connected sites, settings. Create account. Look at that. And then we create an account on call it Xandeum Devnet 1 account, XD1. Yeah, now it took that one, but I want to import an account. Oh, import account. Look at that. All right, import. And then call that here XD1 with a slash, and then we need the private key. So let me get the private key here. So I have one here. Boom. And let's do it again here. Okay, I will put it away again so that you don't see the private key. I'll just paste the private key here. Boom. And I call that account XD1. And the great thing is you can paste the private key just the same way as we did with, as we see it in the Xandeum chain, right? So you can just use the cat command to just show your JSON file that contains the key pair, and then copy that JSON file and just create that new account, right? And boom, we have that new account here. It's imported now, but it should show a balance actually. So let me see, it created the public key here. Let me see if that public key matches what we actually have on the Xandeum chain, right? Yeah, it ends with YYLMW, so that looks really good. So where is my cursor here? It's right here. So it ends in, yeah, so that is the correct one, but it doesn't seem connected to the Xandeum Devnet now. It's an imported account. It says Xandeum Devnet, but it shows 0 here. So it says view details, edit. So let's edit it. Oh, that's only the name. What other details do we have? Ah, look at that. We have it here on Xandeum Devnet, and it has those 113.212 sol. Unfortunately, it's giving us the name sol here, even though when I created that that net here, you see that I said the native currency is actually Zand and not sol, but it pulled the correct balance here. So this little video was a little bit rocky, guys. I thought like I go through the whole process with you. So you've seen everything now, where I got stuck and where I figured out how to do this and that. But we have now a Xandeum Devnet account in the Brave wallet, and we can send funds, transfer funds from one wallet to the other. So in case you run a validator on the Xandeum Devnet, you can use the Brave wallet to do all that. And yeah, we have wallet support for the Xandeum Devnet. So how about that one? And yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you have any other comments on, you know, how to improve all these things, or if you want to see more, how to run a DevNet node or stuff, please give me your questions down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and